What's up guys, Machanga here. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Onn device or any other Google TV or Android TV device with some free entertainment. Now this is going to include free movies, free TV shows, sports, and live TV. For all of my Firestick and Fire TV device users, don't worry, you can access these apps that I'm going to show you in this video. I am going to make a separate updated video for the steps to get that done. You can still follow along here if you like, because all of the streaming services I'm going to show will be available on the Fire devices as well. I'm going to go through this walkthrough using the Onn 4K Pro streaming device, but it works on the other Onn devices as well. This may or may not be your first time on my channel or watching my videos. So before you get started on installing any third-party applications on your devices, I highly recommend you go ahead and turn on your VPN. The VPN that I'm using and have used for years now will be linked below in the video description. If you don't already have it installed on your device, make sure you click that link, sign up for your account, get your username and password, and before you start any of the apps that I'm going to show you in this video and any of my upcoming videos, make sure you have your VPN installed and turned on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started on the process. I'm currently on the home screen. Depending on which Google TV or Android TV device you're using, it should look quite similar unless you've made some kind of modifications or customizations, but either way, you want to navigate over to your apps. Now, this is where we're going to do the search. Once you click on the search bar, now we're going to search for Downloader. All right, it's going to be the first one in the list. You go ahead and click on it. And now you want to click on Install. Just give that a moment to install. All right, once that's complete, we're going to go ahead and click on Open. If you do get this pop-up window right here, just click on OK. All right, so now we're going to scroll on up. Take that red circle up to the search bar here. Then you're going to click on the search bar. All right, so now you want to type in the number that's shown here. You want to just give it a moment to get loaded up. All right, so if you are not using a brand new Google TV or Android TV device like I'm using, you may not get this pop-up because you may have already adjusted your settings to be sure you can install apps from unknown sources. I just opened this device up, so I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to Settings. I'm going to scroll down to Downloader. Right now it says Not Allowed. All I need to do is toggle it on. Once I do that, it's going to allow me to install that application. I click Install, give it a moment. All right, now you're going to click on Done. You should see the option right here letting you know it has successfully installed, but you do need to go ahead and delete that APK because it's just going to take up space on your device and you no longer need it. Click Delete and then click Delete again. Alrighty, so once that is done, we're going to head on back over to our home screen. Now you'll be able to find the brand new app in your apps. So if you scroll on over, you're going to see Unlinked. That's what we want to click on. All right, so it should bring you to this screen where you can add a new library. So now we want to click on New Library. Okay, and once you do that, you're going to see this blinking cursor right here. If you click that blinking cursor, it's going to bring up the keyboard, and this is where you want to type in My Store. This is my app store, where you'll be able to download any of the apps that I have loaded onto this store. Okay, and once you type it in, you're going to click on the check mark. And it's going to bring you to this screen right here. Now, like I previously told you earlier in this video, before you install and turn on any of the third-party applications for streaming, you want to make sure you go ahead and grab your VPN from the link I've listed in the video description. Using my link is going to give you the lowest possible discount for private internet access. And again, it's the one that I actively use on all of my devices. If you have questions about getting the VPN installed or anything at all, feel free to ask me down in the comment section. And also keep in mind, they do offer 24-hour US support. Now, to make sure that I remain in compliance with YouTube guidelines, because you know, guys, all of the content I offer here is going to be free content. So we don't want any issues. I'm not going to show you the apps that I have loaded in my store, but they are there. When you click on enter, you're going to see them all loaded up in here. And this is going to be constantly updated and improved as we go along. When I find a streaming service that works really well, I like to test it out before I actually load it into my store, because I want to make sure it's working before I present it to you guys. So once you get this installed on your device, you don't have to worry. It will be updated as I find new applications and streaming services. Okay guys, so it would really help me out if you would like my video, share it, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of new content coming soon, so make sure you click the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Make sure you show me some love down in the comment section, and I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.